All right, so this is number 4 on quiz 16. So let's look at this. We want to condense the following into a single logarithm. So we have 1/2 natural log of x minus 4 natural log of y plus the natural log of z. So one thing I really want to point out is that we want to do a single logarithm. That means our final answer should only have one natural log sign in front of it, and everything else should be inside if possible. And in this case, it is possible. So the first thing I like to do is rearrange my mathematical statement so that way I have all the positives on the left and all the negatives on the right. So let's just rewrite it. So I'm going to have 1/2 natural log of x plus the natural log of z minus 4 natural log of y. Okay, so now I know that I have all my positives on the left, negatives on the right. That means when I put it all together, I know what will go in the numerator and I know what will go in the denominator. Anything with a positive plus sign will go in the numerator. Anything with a minus negative sign will go in the denominator. I saw that a lot of people put this z in the denominator. However, it has a plus sign here, so it should actually go in the numerator. And an easy way to make sure you don't make that mistake is to rearrange the problem so you have all your positives on the left and your negatives on the right. Anyway, now that we have it rearranged like this, our first step is to bring any coefficients inside the logarithm as an exponent. So I'm going to turn my my 1/2 natural log of x into natural log of x to the 1/2. And then plus natural log of z, there's no coefficient there, so we're good. And then we're going to do minus natural log of y to the 4th. Okay, so we've pulled in all of our coefficients. And now we can say, x to the 1/2, what's that the same as? The square root of x. So we're going to change x to the 1/2 to square root of x in our next step. So we'll have natural log of square root of x plus the natural log of z minus the natural log of y to the 4th. All right, so now we can go and put everything into a single logarithm here. So we're going to draw our fraction bar inside. There should not be natural log on top of natural log. That's only for the change of base formula. Every other time when it says to condense, you need to make sure that you have natural log of a fraction, not natural log over a natural log. So anything with a plus sign is going to go on the top. So that means that this square root x and this z are going to go up top. So I should get square root x times z on the numerator. And then anything with a negative sign, which is right here, this negative natural log y to the 4th, that means anything inside will go on the bottom. So I'll have y to the 4th on the bottom. And then this is our final answer. So our final answer is natural log of square root x times z over y to the 4th. So I hope that this helps and that it will help you in studying. I would go through all the steps and make sure that we only get one log at the end. Okay? Have a good evening and good luck.